guys, my name is Tang Yun. Welcome to Taste of Tang. Tang is my last name. Actually, Tang Dynasty is the greatest dynasty in Chinese history. Taste of Tang, hope you like it. Well, what have I cooked today? Here, look at my cute, very beautiful pot. There is 2 rabbits here. Am I cooking the rabbit today? Of course not. Yeah, I'd like to cook the nougat candy today. It's very delicious. Hope you like it. And my recipe of the nougat candy is very simple. First is marshmallow. Yeah, 1 bag around 300 gram is the milk powder, 120 gram. And here is the almond. Yeah, almond is about 200 gram. Use it. And here I will add some pistachio. The color is very great. So this is the butter. We should use about 6 gram. The butter is very important for our nougat candy. Yeah, so these 2 rabbits, let them sit here and waiting for my nougat candy. Yeah. And let's get started of this big piece. Yeah. Let me put the butter inside my pot. It will melt very fast. Yeah, the butter can make the nougat candy very soft. Wow, the butter smells very good. Let me put the marshmallow. Whoa! Low heat, keep low heat. Stir the marshmallow until all the marshmallow is melted. Please use a non-stick pot. Otherwise, marshmallow will stick to your pot. Now, most of the marshmallow is melted. Now, I can put the milk powder and stir it rapidly. Okay, now I can add the nuts. First, let me put the pistachio inside and then the almond. Then you mix them together. You just make them together evenly. It's become harder. Let's put the nougat candy into this tray. Put another wax paper on the top of the nougat. With your hand, it's a little warm. Yeah, you can wear the glove and you can flatten it with this rolling like this. Yeah. Into the refrigerator and after harder, so I can cut it. And okay, my nougat candy, after 1 hour, I take it out from the refrigerator and now we can cut it. So first, let's peel the wax paper and then put it on the cutting board and use a serrated knife and to cut it. First, you need to straight the edge. Try. Let me try it. Wow, it's milky in your mouth and you can feel the nuts. Very delicious. You feel so sweet and so healthy. The last step is use the candy wrapper to wrap it. And you can use the different color. Now my nougat candy is done. I think my rabbits must love it because it's so delicious. Yeah, I hope you definitely give it a try. And if you like my video, thumbs up and subscribe my video. My name is Tang Yun. See you next time.